What's up, guys? Today we're going to talk about how to become a digital nomad fast. Let's get into it. So if you want to become a digital nomad, that means you already know what a digital nomad is, and you probably want to work while you're traveling the world. So there's a yacht in the background, there's a helicopter on top of it, and while I don't work from yachts, someday I'd like to try it out, and I technically could because I am a digital nomad. I can work from anywhere. So how do you do this fast? Well, it depends how much money you need to live, what kind of tastes you have. Do you like bougie things, or you can get by with just a backpack and some basic food? So the thing about being a digital nomad is you can get there really, really fast. If you go to a place like Thailand or Bali or somewhere in Southeast Asia, you can live for probably under $1,000 a month, which means you need one client paying you $1,000 a month, and you can become a digital nomad and replace your crappy job where you have to go to work every day, you have to sit in rush hour, you have to do all those things. Now, if you have a mortgage, if you have car payments, things like that, you can rent out your house on Airbnb. I've done that in the past, and then I'll take your mortgage payment, and then you just want to cut down on all other expenses that you have in life, especially if you're going to be traveling around the world. That's going to get you the fastest route to becoming a digital nomad. Now, if you need to make a bit more money to live, I know I want to be making at least 10K a month, then you got to get a couple more clients, and you got to learn how to get a handful of clients to pay your bills and make that money. The number one way to get clients is to learn a valuable skill where you can help someone solve a problem. So I put together a free training. I'm going to show you the number one most in-demand skill in the world right now and how to acquire that skill and go out there and get clients to pay you $1,000, $2,000, $3,000 a month so that you can become a digital nomad fast. If you want to check that out, check out christianmartin.org/free. And we're going to walk you through the 3 secrets you need to know to quit your job, leave the 9-to-5, travel the world, and make 6 figures a year with this one skill. Check it out. I'll see you next time.